Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you are doing good, and I'm also doing great. But yes, let me just show you the weather today. Let me open the door. I'll show you the weather. Okay, here you got it. So yes, it's cold, it's sunny, but it's chilling, it's freezing. Trust me, it's freezing here. And we can see, the flurries might have snowfall tomorrow, not today. But it's freezing, it's windy, the wind makes it really worse. So बहुत सारी wind जो हो जाती है बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाती है और मेरा तो यहाँ I was not wearing a jacket, so I just don't want to stay here for long. But yes, I'll just give you a little about my shirt today. I did went yesterday evening. It was raining very bad, but we had to go for the grocery shopping. Remember I told you in my other vlog that I went to one of the Indian grocery stores, but I didn't get much of the groceries or the vegetables I was looking for. So yes, I did go the store close to my place. So yes, once I just picked few vegetables. So as I told you before also that vegetables are very important at my place. A lot of cooking happens here. So वो जाके फटाफट मैंने पिक कर ली वेजिटेबल्स और यहाँ छोटी मोटी ग्रॉसरीज भी साथ में पिक कर ली थी. So I'll be sharing you that vlog today. Because I went last evening तो मैं थोड़ा late हो गई थी, so I thought I'll just share it as my today's vlog. So yes guys, stay tuned and hope you like the share of today. Bye. Hey everyone, how are you? And good evening, not good morning, because मैं अभी जा रही हूँ evening में grocery करने के लिए. But we got to do what we got to do, right? जो करना है वो तो करना ही है ना. तो यस इवनिंग में बस निकल रही हूँ, ग्रॉसरी करके आती हूँ मैं. उस दिन मैं गई थी बट I couldn't bring the vegetables and all that stuff, so I was missing on most of the groceries, really some good groceries like vegetables and all दिख रही थी, बट मैंने लाना प्रेफर नहीं किया. वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छा मतलब सही नहीं लगा. मुझे लगा मेरे साथ का स्टोर वाला अच्छा होगा, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा वैरायटी और प्राइस भी बेटर मिलते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा ले आते हैं, और बाकी 2-4 सामान भी और होता है वो भी ले आऊँगी साथ साथ में.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away, as you fade away. 'cause you feel. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So guys, finally I bought my all the groceries. Like groceries to nahi, more of veggies. Vegetables बिल्कुल खत्म थी, because I told you the other day, like during the daytime मैं गई थी एक store में, but मुझे मज़ा नहीं आया. So yes, to start with I just bought 2 butter. Like normally I bring more butter because I use unsalted butter to make ghee at home, that is clarified butter. But ये deal में लगा होता है, अच्छे price में लगा होता है sale में, लेकिन सब खत्म हो जाता है. So for me only 2 were left. And then this is green coriander. This is chote eggplant, and this is beetroot, green pepper, spinach, घिया, bottle gourds कहते हैं, bitter gourd, ये करेला है, frozen है, bread, गोभी, that's cauliflower, lettuce है, apples हैं, tomatoes हैं, ये चने मैं लाई हूँ, और ये cooking oil है, then this is mustard oil, and this is orange juice without sugar, no sugar added, and yeah, this is again more bangan for bangan ka bharta. And this is for like छोटे वाले. So yes, quickly yes, और घिया लाई थी, ये तो मैंने बता दिया है, क्योंकि every time I just forget, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ मुझे भूल ही जाना होता है ना, तो I just want to make sure that मैंने आपको सब कुछ दिखा दिया है. So yes guys, this was it for today, and hope you liked my share today and my जो मेरा आज का व्लॉग था. एंड यस, टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट, एंड दोस्त हु आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब एंड leave a thumbs up. Take care, have a blessed day, bye bye.